everyone. My name is PJ Pratyush Das. Today is 2nd October and we all are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. At first I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Putulibai and his wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. He was born on 1869 in Gujarat at Porbandar, and today we call Porbandar as a port of our country. He was a great freedom fighter. He was a great follower of peace and non-violence. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He lived in jail for many years and many times. Gandhiji is an inspiration for all of us. Jai Hind. Thank you.